about 5:05 in the morning, and myself, Carly Novak, and Brianna Wynn, we're gonna go punk the other candidates. First off, I'm the Burger King guy, and this is what it's gonna look like.
Your face is folded.
It's kind of folded, but we'll fix that. And I will be handing them a Burger King cardboard crown on a platter, as so, just standing there like this, and they will be extremely surprised because they don't even know we're gonna be there.
Good morning, Lizzie. Good morning. There's about 3. Good morning, Samir. What? Oh, that's scary. Good morning. So scary. Oh no.
What is this?
You have to take your crown. Oh my god.
This isn't a dream.
You have to take your crown off. No, get out. Oh my god.
Well, we're at Nick Wood's house. It's really dark, and we have no answer from the parentals or anything.
No more.
We brought you a crown. Oh my god!
Don't hurt me.
That's for you to wear, actually.
That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Oh god.
Hey Mill Valley, it's 5:20 a.m. Friday morning. It's me, Brianna, Haley, and Katie. Yesterday we woke up the King and Queen candidates for homecoming, and now we're trying to wake up Oliver and Carly.
Wow.